Hello my dear friends, in this video we will learn the process is happening or not. We already studied that due to a second law of thermodynamics we can easily find out that the process is happening or not, right? So like that situation is that the process is happening or not. So for the process is happening, the entropy generation must be greater than equal to 0. That means if any process will happen or not, for that is generation is greater than equal to 0, process is possible or not. So if this is greater than 0, process is possible. If it is less than 0, not possible, right? We already know all this thing. So what is that? A vertical piston cylinder of volume 50 liter contains R22 at minus 20 degree centigrade with 70% quality as shown in figure below. The cylinder is brought into a 20 degree centigrade room and the electric current of 10 ampere is passed through the resistor inside the cylinder, right? The voltage drop across the resistor is 12 volt. It claimed that after 30 minutes the temperature inside the cylinder is 40 degrees centigrade. Is it possible? That means is the final temperature inside the system is 40 degree when the time is 30 degree? That means after 30 minutes whether the inside cylinder temperature is 40 degree or not, we will check, right? So this is your cylinder and this is your piston, right? So this is your cylinder and this is your piston. Okay, now if there is a resistance, so this is your resistance heating, so this is your resistance heating, so this is your resistance heating, so this is your resistance heating. Okay, right? Voltage V, this is your resistance heating. So what is that? That means if this is our system, if this is our system, so this is our system, this is our system. So what is that? We perform a work on the system. What is that? W electrical. Okay, we perform a work W electrical. And what is the W electrical in joule? That means what is the W electrical? Vi into what is the time it's taken, T. Vi into T. V is the voltage, I is the current. What is the current applying here? This is your I, this is volt, and this is time duration. This is your time duration. So this is your electrical work input. So this electrical work input, there is no any heat transfer, there is a work transfer process, right? So why? Because the electrons will cross the system boundary, so the internal energy will increase, and internal energy will increase, temperature will increase, and temperature will increase, the volume will increase, so the piston will raise, so the piston will raise. Now what is the fluid? Fluid is that here, fluid is that R22, refrigerant. This is your refrigerant. So at state 1, what is given? State 1, T1 is given. What is that? Minus 20 degree centigrade. And the dryness fraction X1 is given 0.7. And what is the volume? Volume V1, total volume is 50 cross 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. This is your given, right? So from this is your dryness fraction given. So what is the pressure? The pressure P1 is the saturated pressure. Why? Because two phase region, P set, saturation pressure. What is that? At minus 20 degree centigrade. So you have saturation pressure from the R refrigeration table, and we have a specific volume from table, from R22 table, right? So we have mass. What is the mass? V1 by specific volume 1. So we have mass. What is the mass of the system? Why? Because this is a closed system. Now, state 2, when we are supplying electrical work, its pressure will increase, so its volume will increase. But outside, this is a closed system, but there is no any outside condition change. That means outside condition will fix. This is the outside condition will fix. When the outside condition is fixed, the piston will move up at equilibrium pressure. So what is the P2? P2 is equal to P1 equal to P equilibrium, right? Why? Because outside condition is fixed, so it move up with a equilibrium pressure. So if move up with a equilibrium pressure, okay. Why? Because outside condition, so it goes freely in a quasi static या equilibrium manner, right? So P2 is equal to P1 is equal to P equilibrium. This you have. Now you have calculate generation. So you calculate heat transfer. For heat transfer, you have first law of thermodynamics, right? This is your format. Always remember. So what is the heat transfer? 1 to 2. What is that? M U2 minus U1 plus W1 to 2. Now, here is the important. This W1 to 2 is the summation of. Why? Because displacement of a boundary. That means boundary work plus electrical. This is the work. What is the boundary work? P equilibrium into V2 minus V1, and you have electrical work which is minus input, and boundary work is output. That this is positive. Why? Because expansion of a boundary, and this is negative. Why? Because input Vi into T. What is your V2? What is your V2? This is your capital. Why? Because you have a mass, so it is a capital. So you have a mass. So this is your capital B. This is your capital B, right? So V1 you have 50 liter. So this is your M into V2. And where it is V2? Since you have P2, so at this pressure we have Vf and we have Vg, right? At this pressure we have Vf and Vfg. So we have easily found out V2. What is that? Vf plus X Vfg. So you have X, you have Vf, you have Vh, you have V2. So you calculate this. So you have U2, you have from this table. From this table you have U2, U1, and what is the U1? Uf plus X Ufg. This is your U1, and what is your U2? What is your U2? U2 you have, because you have a temperature, you have a pressure, you calculate from the table. Why? Because you have R22 fluid. So you have P2, you have T2 40 degree. So you have U2 and you have equilibrium pressure. So at this pressure, what is your UF and what is your UFG? You calculate, right? So from this table, you don't use this dryness fraction. Okay, don't do this one. This is nothing. This is not required. You directly use this your P2 and what is your T2? So you have V2, no problem. You have V2, right? So you don't use this one. You don't use this one. Okay. Directly you find from table. From table. From table of R22 is this condition. You have U2, you have V2, right? From this. So you have, and mass you have. So you calculate Q12. Now, the second law, what is that? M specific entropy 2 minus 1 is equal to Q1 to 2, and this is your what? Total air net. Is it process is possible? So you always surrounding. What is the surrounding temperature? 20 degree in a room. Always find. If you not given, it is possible or not, you find total entropy. So one thing is keep in mind, you don't have information about what is the internally, we calculate internally entropy generation or total entropy generation. If not clearly mentioned to the question, so always prefer to calculate in total entropy generation. So what is the total entropy generation? So put here infinite plus SG. So this is your, if you put total entropy generation. So this is your total entropy generation. So you have S2 from table, you have S1, you have Q1, 2, you have T infinite. What is the T infinite? This is your 20 plus 273. So you have, this is from table, from R22 table, right? Stage 1 at which P equilibrium is from the table, X is given. So what is your S1 SF plus X SFG, and stage 2 from table, you have P2 is equal to P1, you have T2. What is that T2? T2 is 40 degrees centigrade. The final cylinder inside 40 degrees centigrade. So in this condition, you have S2. So put all this value and you find S generation, and this is your 0.768 kilojoule per Kelvin. C, and this is your greater than 0. So if S generation is either greater than equal to 0, possible. So what is that? Claim is valid. Claimed is valid. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.